Hey, this is Tom. How you all doing? We've been talking about this new Tecsun radio, H-501X, and Anaco will have them in stock in a couple of weeks, I guess. It says mid-May. And you could also go to the website. You can click on this to notify it when it is in stock, so you can pick one up. Today we're going to talk about hidden features. And Anne sent me a PDF of the hidden features. That sheet will be shipped with the radios when she gets them in. So let's just go through them real quick. Here they are. Now notice it does say 909X. Well, she told me that the hidden features are the same for the H-501X. So first we got Bluetooth enable. So this allows you to enable the Bluetooth mode so you can play back music from a Bluetooth enabled device, such as a smartphone, a tablet, or a digital audio player. And over here tells you how to turn it on. And once you get into the radio mode, press and hold radio/MP3 to toggle Bluetooth on or off. That's pretty straightforward. This one is called additional features, and this enables, let me get this out of the way, this enables muting threshold and DNR features on medium wave, long wave, and short wave. So over here, I'm not going to read all this. It tells you how to enable this. And then here is, once you get this enabled, then you can use DNR, dynamic noise reduction. You can use muting threshold. You can adjust that for muting of weak stations. And then next one is FMD Emphasis. Alters the time setting for FMD Emphasis. And the magic key is key 5. And there's two settings, one for the US and one for Europe. This is the calibration of upper sideband and lower sideband, because it could come from the factory and could be slightly off. And what you do is you tune to a strong station that you know the frequency, such as WWV on 10 megahertz. And then you push, let's see, press and hold the USB or LSB key until the display backlight flashes 2 times, and then you can adjust it. It doesn't say what do you do to adjust it. I'll have to look into that one. And then this one I mentioned before, you can switch between the internal ferrite rod to the whip on the AM. That's long wave and medium wave. That'd be interesting to see if that makes much difference. Of course, you can also use an external antenna and plug it into the side port on the radio. This one you can adjust the line output level. And this one you can set to show seconds on the clock. Just press and hold the 8 key to toggle seconds on and off. So there they are. Like I say, I'm going to try some of these if I can get them to work. You know, learn how to turn them on, turn them off. I'll then do some recordings and show you these features. If you have any particular ones you want me to try first, please let me know by putting it in the comments. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.